everybody. I'm here today to show you how to wiggle your ears. This will be the easiest tutorial where I will be showing you how to do this. Okay? Check that out. I'm going to wiggle my ears for you. Check that out. Right there. I'm going to show you how to do it. Very easy, very simple, and straightforward. So first and foremost, you want to focus on raising your eyebrows, okay? So you want to focus on being able to do this. The reason you want to do this is because there is a set of muscles and a set of something. I don't know. I'm not a scientist or a doctor, but these muscles are somehow connected to these. Because when you raise your eyebrows, if you put your hands on your ears, you can feel the muscles moving. Okay, so focus on raising your eyebrows, okay? Then we're gonna take it to the next step. What you wanna do is open your mouth slightly, okay? Open your mouth slightly, bring your lower jaw forward. So open your mouth and bring your lower jaw forward, like that. And what that's gonna do is that's gonna pull on the muscles that connect your jawline to your ears. So you have muscles that go from here to here, okay? That's why when you do this, you feel your ears moving a little bit. And then you have muscles that connect from here to here, which is why when you bring your jaw forward, you can feel the muscles here flexing in. Okay, very simple. Muscles, tendons, I don't know, whatever it is, they're connected in some way, shape, or form. Okay, so once you open your jaw and you bring your jaw forward, your lower jaw forward, you're gonna raise your eyebrows again. Check this out. Now, by raising my eyebrows with my jaw forward, I'm actually moving the ear muscles, okay? And then all that you have to do is just think about those muscles that are activating. When you do that, just like that, okay, feel the muscles here moving. And then you just eliminate the eyebrows. And you could do it with your jaw, just like this. Okay, look at that. And then, all you gotta do is close your jaw, and you can continue doing it like this. Cool, eh? Very simple. So it's a simple step-by-step process. Really, it's no different than learning how to bounce your pecs, okay? You know, some people can bounce their pecs. It's no different than that, or learning, let's say, how to flex your tricep or a specific part of your forearm, let's say, without moving your actual arm. You can flex your bicep without moving your arm. It's very possible. You can bounce your pecs without actually moving your arms to flex your chest. But if you want to wiggle your ears, just like this, okay? It's actually really easy to do. Just follow the steps in this video and you'll be good to go. It's literally that simple, okay? If you want to wiggle your ears, just do what I told you to do in this video and you'll be good to go. And that's it. I really hope you've enjoyed this video. If you liked it, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.